Today, we're getting into the latest Rivian news, including Rivian stock falling after production and delivery numbers reported for Q4, another Rivian recall over the accelerator pedal, changes to Rivian's federal tax credits, and plenty more, so let's get into it. The spotlight is on Rivian's Q4 production and delivery figures, sparking opinions about the company's trajectory. While they exceeded their 2023 production goals, Wall Street's delivery expectations fell short. In specific terms, Rivian produced 17,451 vehicles and delivered 13,972 in Q4. The slight discrepancy, with 28 vehicles below the projected 14,000 deliveries, has some investors skeptical. Despite Rivian's explanation of reduced van deliveries, Rivian's CFO Claire McDonough previously clarified on the Q3 earnings call, stating, "We expect a more significant gap between production and deliveries in Q4 due to Amazon's constraints during the peak holiday delivery period." Now, drone footage from December 15th showcasing Amazon Electrek delivery vans ready for delivery adds a visual layer, challenging the notion of a buyer shortage. Despite a 4% stock decline, Rivian surpassed its full-year production goal, building 57,232 vehicles in 2023, compared to the guidance of 54,000 vehicles. The lack of a breakdown between R1T, R1S, or Electrek delivery van numbers leaves room for speculation. All signs are aligning towards Rivian's path to profitability. Next up, in a proactive move, Rivian swiftly addressed a recent recall concerning their accelerator pedal. According to NHTSA, Rivian is recalling specific 2022 R1T and R1S vehicles due to the accelerator pedal's potential failure to detect when the driver releases it, thus impeding the intended activation of auto hold or park. Now, this poses a risk of unintended vehicle movement, heightening the possibility of a collision. To remedy this issue, Rivian has executed an over-the-air software update and will replace the accelerator pedals at no cost. Anticipated owner notification letters are slated for mailing in February. This foresighted approach underscores Rivian's dedication to ensuring the safety and satisfaction of its vehicle's owners. Now, next up, we transition into the season of changing federal tax credits for electric vehicles. A comprehensive breakdown of these requirements is shown in the fact sheet IRA EV tax credits. Now, delving into the specifics for Rivian this year, they stand eligible for tax credits, with the Rivian R1S and R1T potentially qualifying for up to $3,750. It's worth noting that due to the imposed price cap, only a select few entry-level versions of the R1S and R1T meet the criteria. An interesting workaround for those aiming for the full $7,500 credit involves leasing, where the credit is directly applied to the monthly payments. Notably, Rivian distinguishes itself from Tesla by allowing the purchase of the vehicle after the lease concludes, ensuring that you can enjoy the full incentive in the long run. Understanding these intricacies empowers consumers to make informed decisions, navigating the dynamic landscape of electric vehicle tax credits. Now, in our concluding piece today, Rivian faces some unfavorable scrutiny regarding their much anticipated Max battery pack. 2 months post initiation of delivering EVs equipped with the Max battery pack, the initial real-world range comparison alongside the large battery pack is underwhelming to say the least. The 50-mile EPA range estimate over the large battery pack doesn't seem substantial enough to justify the additional $10,000 expense. Now, Kyle Connor from Out of Spec conducted a meticulous range test using 2 R1Ts, one with a large battery pack and the other with the Max battery pack. Surprisingly, the real-world range showed only marginal difference, despite the significant price gap. Rivian's decision to maintain the same battery size for both the large and max packs while incorporating improved battery chemistry into the max pack raises some intriguing questions. It could have been more advantageous for Rivian to increase the battery size and utilize the enhanced chemistry to achieve greater density, thereby offering a truly remarkable max battery range that consumers would willingly pay a premium price for. The decision to retain the same battery size may be strategic to minimize disruptions to the manufacturing line and sustain high production levels. Given the recent reviews of the max battery pack, it's plausible that Rivian might reconsider its pricing strategy if a substantial number of customers lean towards the large battery pack over the max battery pack. The coming months will unveil the outcome of this intriguing development. Stay tuned for more updates on how Rivian navigates this challenge and adjusts its approach based on consumer preferences. That's all for this week's Rivian news. Now please like and subscribe for more up-to-date information on Rivian. It really helps my channel. And remember, adventure is always out there.